Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to solve trigonometric equations. The question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, find the value of 1 plus sin theta times 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. For this type of question, whenever there is given a trigonometric value of sine, cos, tan or any of the trigonometric ratios, we are going to first make a right triangle where we will make angle theta as the base angle, and then we'll name the triangle as ABC. According to the question, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 and cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta, which is equal to base divided by perpendicular. So here base is AC, which is equal to 7, and perpendicular is BC, which is equal to 8. Now in this right triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. AC is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 8. So we'll put the values here. 7 square plus 8 square is equal to AB square. This will be 49 plus 64 is equal to AB square. Now 49 plus 64 is 113. This gives us AB as root of 113. This is our AB, the length of the hypotenuse. Now we know that AB is equal to root of 113, AC is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 8. Now in this triangle, we can find the value of sin theta and cos theta. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 8. And hypotenuse is root of 113. Similarly, we can find out cos theta as base divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to 7 divided by root of 113. So now we got the value of sin theta and cos theta. We are going to put the values in this expression to find the value of this expression. 1 plus sin theta times 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. Now we are going to put the values. So 1 plus sin theta is 8 divided by root 113 times 1 minus 8 divided by root 113 divided by 1 plus 7 by root 113 times 1 minus 7 by root 113. So this is A plus B times A minus B, and the same is here, A plus B times A minus B. So A plus B times A minus B will give us A square minus B square and whole divided by A square, which is 1 square, minus 7 by root 113 square. Now we'll solve it here. So this will be 1 minus 8 square is 64 and in root 113 square is 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49 and root 113 square is 113. So this will be 113 minus 64 divided by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. So 113 minus 64 is 49 divided by 113. This is fraction division. So we will take the reciprocal of this denominator. So this will be 113 divided by 113 minus 49 is 64. So this 113 gets cancelled. So we are left with 49 over 64. So the value of this expression is 49 by 64. So this is how you can find the value of the expression if any of the trigonometric ratio is given. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.